So today we are going to be doing another confetti soap. For today, we are going to be using Nature's Garden Sparkling Lavender Lemonade. Absolutely love the scent of this. I have already added that fragrance oil to the soap oils in my lye water solution here, my sodium lactate, and then I have also added titanium dioxide in here. So we are going to combine the lye water solution into the base oils. We're going to mix this to emulsion. I am going to add in the soap shreds. We're just gonna do a simple pour into the mold. I have my soap frosting here. We just went with a light buttery colored frosting, and we're gonna go ahead and frost the top of the soap. I am going to go ahead and add the little embeds, and then we're just gonna put little purple straw into each of these. I don't wanna go crazy with the glitter, but I do wanna make sure each bar gets just a little bit. Here is the first cut of the bar of soap.